This is the Moterm Elite notebook cover in the A6 size. Let's take it out of the box. It's definitely nicely packaged. Okay, note that this is neither the version with rings or the original Moterm notebook cover that usually has a giant back pocket. No, I decided to get this so-called Elite model because it has a zipper section. I decided that I wanted more security for bills, coins, cards, and the like, and I did not have to forgo a back pocket in its entirety because there is actually a little slot in the back that's still here. Before it was like the whole side of the back opened up journal here. Now the zippered section is where the slot would have existed on the original notebook cover. This one on the left side tab here has a vertical zippered section, which includes a very well-designed, unobtrusive zipper pull, I might add, that won't dig into your leather or your notebook. It has 3 stacked card slots of equal depth and a vertical slot on the other side of the zippered section here, which is where you'd likely slot in the front side of a notebook cover. Now, the original cover model from Moterm with the back pocket, in contrast, has 4 card slots and 2 vertical slots, but no zipper. This Elite model, though, does not have the little dangly strings to bookmark a couple of places in your notebook, and I'm fine with that because the notebooks that I plan to put in here are small enough to leaf through when looking for something, and moreover, I don't plan to permanently house my notebooks in here. I might try carrying a few small bags every now and again that I'd prefer to save space in, for example, and elect not to take this whole thing with me, just the little books inside. So on the right side flap of the cover here, there are 2 more inserts. One likely for the back of your other notebook or the same notebook, and then the other pocket has 2 sides open here for items you want quick access to, like stickers or long paper items. And then finally here is a slot for your pen or pencil, likely pen, which is essential in my opinion. There are 2 snap closures on this, here and here. So if you decide you want to beef this up with lots of paper, you can adjust this when it becomes more voluminous. So this cover is ideal for your Stology A6, your Hobonichi Tekko, and or Midori MD, and you can fit 2 of them in any combination in at once. You could probably even fit 3 depending on how thin they were. What I plan to use this for, however, is the official notebook bullet journal here. I've got a couple. These are new. And I think I could fit 3 in here, but I'm just going to use 2 for now. One is going to be for my standard Bujo collection, and the other is probably going to be for, extended notes and things like that. And so I'll fit them in like this, and there you go. And here's a pen. So the quality on this thing finally is great. It's got lovely pebbled leather, nice stitching, it's pleasant to the touch. Yeah, me likey.